welcome back to the unboxing NXT challenge, whatever you want to call it. The little series I started a few weeks ago about unboxing former NXT talent and NXT Takeover series. We started with the Velveteen Dream, and now episode 2 will be Scott Dawson and Dash Wilder, the Revolt. I forget their new names. I should look that up. But yeah, so these guys, the box is great. Look, honestly, if they kept the NXT Takeover line, the box is fucking amazing. Freaking amazing. You know what I mean? But we will be starting with Scott Dawson. Is it Scott Dawson? I don't know why, but when I think of Scott Dawson, I think of Shane Dawson, the YouTuber. But so we will be starting with one half of the Revive KO, Revolt KO, the Re-KO. I don't know. I'm trying to come up with a name. In other words, that is happening in the Fig Fed. Randy Orton, Dash Wilder, Scott Dawson, all together again. Comes with the NXT, the old NXT Tag Team Championships, which I thought were cool looking. Only problem was that it's not glossy, it was kind of like matte, like it was like the basic style. Of course, the articulation is amazing. Oh, and of course, we got it at Target with the clearance. I believe these two were at the local Target. Velveteen was on Amazon, and Austin Aries, which will be unboxed in the next video, was also at the Target, but in a different town, about 2 hours away from here. But all beautiful, all amazing. Dash Wilder also comes with the other side of the NXT title, which was great. What's crazy is that I remember when I got these two, I thought about getting Asuka with them, which I didn't. I don't regret it because obviously the network spotlight came out with Asuka, which I got when that came out. And of course, articulation, amazing. These two figures look fucking impeccable. I shouldn't be cursing, but looks impeccable. With the P, not impeccable, but impeccable. You know what I'm saying? They look great together, and I'm very excited for the indie run that's coming up in the next few years. Who they sign to, who they don't sign to, and like I said, next episode will be Austin Aries. We like to keep it short and sweet here, so thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.